Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cloud infrastructure skills with Google Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Google Cloud account if you don't have one. Visit the Google Cloud Platform website. Click on the Get Started for Free option to start your free trial. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the Google Cloud Console. Explore the dashboard to understand its layout and features. Next, choose a specific area of cloud infrastructure to focus on. Consider options such as Compute Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, or Cloud Storage. Access the Google Cloud documentation for the specific service you selected. Read through the introductory guides and tutorials provided. Start with simple projects to apply what you've learned. Experiment by deploying a virtual machine using Compute Engine. Follow the step-by-step instructions in the Google Cloud documentation. For a deeper understanding, take advantage of the Google Cloud training resources. Enroll in online courses available on platforms like Coursera or Qwiklabs. Participate in hands-on labs to gain practical experience. Join online communities and forums dedicated to Google Cloud professionals. Engage with other learners and share experiences. Read case studies to see real-world applications of Google Cloud services. Attend webinars and live training sessions offered by Google Cloud. Regularly practice by setting up projects and testing different services. Monitor your progress and adapt your learning path as needed. Consider obtaining a certification in Google Cloud to validate your skills. Review the study materials and resources recommended for certification. Schedule your exam when you feel prepared. Continue to expand your knowledge by exploring advanced concepts. Apply for internships or job shadowing opportunities in cloud roles. Build a portfolio of projects that showcases your cloud infrastructure skills. Stay curious and keep learning as technology evolves. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.